Mala, visitamos una limonada.
Oh, point to hey, Guatemala kan oma. I dora kan so do na tu na hang kan drinks kan kak meka kachante kathok pite pat ni ne kan kala ni sumo. David le. David le Gina ne san hey a view he hey. Seaside a de sumo. Point to kwa tura เราเองจะ brightness จะ dictate เรากัน drinks กันหักตอนนั้นอุ้ยนอนไม่ตกอุ้ย
It's cold now, huh? Very cold.
กัน drinks กันหันหักลูกเป็นไงโอ้กัน drink เสร็จเราเซ็งต่อกันหันอินเวย์ยังไง
Oh my god.
เฮ้ย lemonade กันอินเดอร์นะจีน่าและเดวิดันเฮ้ย
Hey,
what is there inside
have a fresh lemonade. Very fresh. With green cherry.
Okay.
I think the cherry was red, but this is green. I think they have green
Yes.
cherry. But it's very delicious.
Okay.
Very fresh.
Is it refreshing you?
Wow.
Taste mine.
Okay.
Tapos yung
Okay. Hey, lemonade niya anaulen ya. Kan invention ng cherry dia mauir. Wow.
refreshing. Masarap.
Yes.
Natural. It's remember me.
Lui pula kan nom? Lui kam pula.
I remember me this.
Point to ka to health to phone. Phone pan ni update ngay po. So low wow, this one. Kan so ito Ilian, Lutog, Gina, let me see. Yeah, but looks tasty that one. And David, what about David? Oh, chicken.
David, what's that? So plain.
Kan mukbang doon eh. Oy,
¿Alcanza el pan de las 3 comidas?
Oy, Lian.
Gracias.
Still ate already. Drinks kan na po ka. Gina in hey wrong order. Siya man ito Lian. Ka. What wrong?
But because a lot of shells, I need to do my own hands.
No, ask for gloves. Maybe they have gloves. So kanan ay nga Gina ilang tebe tay don na ba? Kanan ay puk puk ka. Kan ayan nga. Ang landan hindi pa klo.
How much that one? How much that? 80.
Banana. Gina.
Yeah, can I have?
Yeah. Saklay.
It's a lot of.
It's gonna be masarap. Dito. Saklay. Pag-enga. Ano ito? Saklay. Santi. Sahak eh. Kaya daw tatla. 你肉弄你端，破过阿凡提走了。 puta ayan nga.
He's already eating the shell. I'm tired.
Focus also Gina. Ayan. At least block somewhere. Also seaside. Don't drop my phone.
The seaside, go there.
Gina.
It's not you if you talk like that.
Please. Cái trong hier à hệ nào bên đầu nữa các bạn. Mấy chạng cái trong cái đó. Yeah. So good. I like the ingredients. I think they put some spices.
Here? This is my first time also to try like taste like this.
Các trẻ nuôi in. Kèn lâu nan hen bạc dẻ mong ạ. Thì cứ hai hít sống khám rồi. Cả hai người sẽ đẹp đẹp này đây. See? Again she's using focus her. I need to
use this one to get the meat inside. See? There's nothing. See? There's a food. Don't waste.
Everything is
Everything.
money. Say a three lutuk. Ganyan.
Huh?
Say a three lutuk. On the camera.
A three litok. What's that?
At 22.
Delicious.
Yummy.
Delicious. Like masarap.
A three litok.
Three lutuk. Masarap. How to say in Spanish?
Deliciosos. Delicioso.
Delicious.
Delicioso.
Huh?
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. No?
Delicioso.
Delicious. Whatever. Oh my god. I need to change
Delicious.
also how I laugh.
Delicious.
Delicious. Is this lime or lemon?
Lemon. Lemon.
Is it lemon?
Yeah, no?
Is it
Lime is the yellow one, no?
lime? Is the green one?
Lime is the green?
Yeah.
Oh, what's wrong? All my life. Oh my God.
The lemon is
But
the
this
yellow
is
one.
green.
But this one, yeah, it's lime.
But in Spanish,
This one is lime.
in Spanish we
Yeah.
call limon. All of them.
You do same. That's what in India, same thing.
We don't have this problem in English.
Yeah. Lime and lemon is yellow. What do you say this one?
Lime.
Lime man nhá, limbu vẫn tiếng không? Thế mà như chân mà, we call limbu.
Limbu? In Spanish, limon. Limon we call all the head.
Kan em dấu thì là tầm nó được không? Chỉ này bốc của tin là ấy đó. Chắc ai à chân? Apa đủ phải ra? Chỗ nào ăn lúc cái đó? Hát tên này khắp hay? Tôi khá là tụi ba ha. Anh là quan trọng nữa tụi có. Anh đại tối đó tuy là tùy tệ đó nè. Ôi à. I want to eat brain. I want to eat the brain so that I become brighter,
They're like the fish.
intelligent.
It's pig's brain.
Hmm?
Pig's brain.
Pig.
Pig.
Pig? What?
Big
Brain.
Brain.
Pig.
No?
Very
No?
nice.
The chicken brain.
No, the pig. Chicken.
Chicken brain.
Is there a chicken brain?
How's the taste like?
Like this?
It's small.
How's the taste like?
Eh?
You should cook it properly.
Mm. It smells?
Yeah.
Ah, that's why.
Because there's some delicacy in Philippines like
I will cook
we
this.
put the pig's brain instead of some of them they put mayonnaise. But I like the ones with pig's brain. That's dinakdakan.
Mm. I don't know if we eat pig brain or not.
It's like yellow. Ay, white.
Mm.
Right.
White something.
Mịt tía, mịt tươi tươi tía. Wow, wow, wow. Nghe dùng món các loại. Các vị không ạ? Cảm ơn tiền lệ tốt nha. Tốt cần ít. Dấu tờ á, cái hot tờ đó. Rồi phía một cái này hết thấy miếng ở mà David no Spanish dance like a Spanish. It's so ugly. Why do they make so ugly? See the look.
Hey, ciao, ciao. Let's say bye to Guatemala. Say bye.
Cái hot dog cái tên mà là做cái này không á? Cái chỗ nhân nhà quảng cáo về thì là cameraman cái này và đầu cái ngay rất cái chuyện nó vẫn hay nhân nhà bác cô.
Hey, it's raining.
Yeah, I can't hold. That's why I need to hold selfie stick. That's why. Cameraman nhiều cho anh hay nhân nhà bông không thể lấy nè. Anh read ông nào mày bốc xa ôi apart thay lâu các cụ ta tăng cần ra mà ăn tập gạo thế mà lại thì một tuổi em mà ông lâu cần ra mà ăn thấu khát tí rong khá cái thầy này xem mọi người hay cần thông khi cần ra mà ăn giả sao Oh my god, my selfie stick is too heavy.
Yeah.
See, I cannot hold it properly.
It's heavy.
Start to bend. Do talk for them. Kadi zong kadi se. Next video dong kadi mulai dong ya. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Coming back.
Yes, back to ship. Bye.